Smoke! Stop! Fuck. The fuck? I tried talking to you nice, and you still won't stop. You're not going outside till I get off of work tomorrow. I am about to leave for work. I didn't mean to yell. Now I feel bad. Okay, now I feel bad. But you're being a little fucking menace. The fuck? I want my security deposit back. The fuck? You know I love you, right? Probably not now. You're probably gonna be mad at me now because I yelled at you. But bruh. Yeah, tell him, crackhead. You still love me though, right? You still love me?